Hi friends, I discussed the topic today, creative administrative. This is the part of the AZ104 exam. So I just cover the below topic, create an administrative unit and populate that administrative unit in Azure AD user or group and create a rule with appropriate permissions, scoped and administrative unit and add IT members like this. Okay. So what is administrative unit and what is the prerequisite for the administrative unit? So what is administrative unit? Administrative is simple. I think everyone is familiar with the Active Directory organization unit. So what is organization? You make one organization unit and you need to add the member inside the organization unit. So then you need to give some rules and delegate some controls to that user, and the user will be control that organ. The, the same concept, but it's little bit as familiar, little bit different. Okay, so here the category is object together, and we can delegate control over the object to the certain some admin rules. Okay, so simple example I will tell you. You have the company, okay, and you have the group like sales or marketing. Okay, so you have more members in that groups. Okay, you need to control that group. So how to begin? So we will make the administrative unit, and the administrative unit we add the one members or some members. Okay, then we need to add the rules of the administrative unit, and after that we will assign this one to the groups. So the the administrative unit can control the group members. Okay, because I will also explain in my portal so how to we can do it this one, and then you can get more ideas. So now I will go for our Azure portal and I will show you. Okay, so now I reach our Azure portal. Okay, here you can see Azure Active Directory. Before I will go for, I will tell you the brief. This one, see the license Azure AD Premium. The prerequisite already I told you the prerequisite we need Azure Active Directory minimum P1 or P2 license. Okay, so before I will go to the step, I will just explain. See here I have user. Okay, Tony. So I just example for the Tony. Okay, I just log in with the Tony for the another window. We will go for that window first. Okay, here I reach Tony. Okay, so here you can see you can just go for Azure Active Directory and you can see the this Tony how no any rules. I am not assigned for any rules. So Tony cannot manage anything like any groups or something like this one. So I just show you. Uh, See this group. Okay, so the group we will go for now the groups, and I will show you that Tony cannot manage anything because we are not assigned the Tony any control or anything. Okay, just to go for sales. Yeah, see everything is disabled, delete and everything. Tony cannot handle anything. Okay, because Tony is not the part of this unit. I will not add the Tony in the administrative unit. So after admin, because I will show the difference. Okay, so here you can coming the members, the groups. Yeah, add. See now everything is hide. The Tony cannot control anything. Okay, so now we will go for our portal. So we will add this Tony to the administrative unit and assign to the sales members. Okay, sales group. Okay, so where you can create for the administrator. So you just go for your Azure Active Directory. Here you can see administrative unit. Yeah, here I already put one help NAC. Okay, so I will show you how to we can create add. Yeah, sales support. I will make one sales support administrative unit, and this admin unit sales support. Yeah, okay, this I will teach you later. Okay, restricted manager administrative unit. Okay, so just I will assign the rule. No, I will not go for to assign the rule. So this rules is available for the administrator, authentication, cloud, group administrator, and SharePoint administrator and team administrator. Okay, and okay, you if you need to learn more, you can get wait maybe here. Yeah, here learn more. Just click and open the link. So here you can get the more document about the overview of the Azure Active Directory administrative unit. Okay, here we can go overview of the role base. So here administrative unit, Azure Active Directory. So the deployment and see the administrative unit, school business and school engineer, and then they will give you one user admin and using to allow to the organization delegated permission rules. Okay, so this you can, if you time, just go for this link and you can get everything information about this. Okay, so this now I will not make the rules. Later I will make. I just go for next and review and create. Okay, sales support. So now we create our sales support groups. Okay, so here I will now go for sales support. I just add the user. So add member. I will add Tony. Okay, yeah. I select the Tony. Okay, then I will just okay. Tony is already add. So now what happened? I will give the rule for the Tony. Okay, so I just go for rule and administrator, and then I will add the Tony rule. Okay, so I just add the user administrator rule for the Tony. Okay, so you needed to description what is the user, you can get it here. So click this description and you can create a contact and delete and more. You just go for the brief description about this one. Okay, so I just assign, add assign. Okay, add assignment. I just give Tony. So here I will select and I will add it on. So you understand, now I will make one administrative unit, then I will add assign the Tony is the rule for what the rule I assign for rule already there, user administrator rule I will add. Then after that I just go for check if already add or it take little time for populate the this rule for the user. Okay, so just wait for little time. Okay, I will come back. Okay, here now we will already add this one and we will check the rule is add or no. Okay, so I just go for Tony. I just click the Tony and here you can see the administration unit. Yeah, just click this administrative unit. So we already created the sales support, the admin unit cover support. So the sales support administrative unit add for the Tony. Okay, so you can go here and you can check the assign rules. See, administrative use already assigned to the Tony. Okay, also you needed to just to go for Azure Active Directory. Then here you click the user. Okay, after that we will go for Tony and check here assign roles. Yeah, see, user administrative use already add. So in what we will do now, we will go for the group and we will add this administrative unit to that group. Okay, so we will now go for our group, sales group. Okay, so I just for the sales group here I just click the administrative unit. I just remove the old one. Yeah, I just remove. Then I just add my sales support role. Okay, just select. So now we populate our administrative unit sales support to the sales group. Okay. Just click this one overview and just again because this refresh is take time. Okay, then check your administrative unit already assigned. See, now sales support unit is already assigned. So now you understand how to we can make administrative unit, how to you can assign the user to the administrative unit, and how to we can add the administrative unit to the group. So next step I will give you the Tony can control how to control the sales groups. Okay, before Tony cannot control because before the Tony is not the part of the administrative unit and a sales department not have the administrative. So now we will go for the Tony user and Tony can control. And also I will sometime it take time to the policy will be implementation. Okay, but we will go and check if available or no. Just I will now go for the Tony user. Okay. Okay. Now we will reach our Tony username. Okay, Tony. Okay. Azure Portal Tony user, and then we will check the we can add or delete or anything like. Before I told you before Tony cannot do anything. Okay. Now we will go for Tony. We can check the Tony can add or member can delete and group can delete. Okay. So just to go for Azure Active Directory, and you can go for the group. Okay. Ah, then here see sales. I just go for the sales. Okay. Great. See, before is hidden. Now see, you can delete the group. And Tony, we assign the administrator unit. Now populate in the Tony. Okay. See the members. Tony can add the members. Okay. See, now Tony can add the members. Just click this one and you can add Tony. I just add Albin. Select. Yeah. See, now the member successfully add. Take time. Just to refresh. Or you just go back. Yeah, see now albinos are. So you see the difference. Before Tony cannot add the anything. See now we give the rule for the Tony for through administrative unit. Now Tony can add the users and delete and whatever the rules in the user administrative rules. Tony can assign some. So I just go for Microsoft Action. Then Azure Active Directory. So this is the normal directory. We will check here. Tony can add user or no. See here we click this one. See Tony cannot add the user because we don't assign the default directory and the administrative unit. So, but Tony can give the all the permission to the Tony can create or Tony can delete the users in the group. So I think you can understand my topic. Uh, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and support me. So I just wind up this topic administrative. Thank you so much.